High altitude trekking means beautiful views of mountain, jungle, water streams, birds, animals, and lots of greenery. But this everything comes at a cost of your physical ability of enjoying this scenery. And if you want to enjoy all these things without suffering from any physical inability, then you must start doing these 5 exercises at least a month prior of your trekking date. Exercise number 1, mountain climber. For this exercise, you have to be in plank position, full plank position. You have to fix your both the hands and you have to move your both the knees in front. Try to touch it towards your chest. Cross it and bring it front, alternatively right, left. You do this for 1 minute continuously and that too for 3 sets. This exercise improves your core strength, your upper limb strength as well as your lower limb strength, and also helps you to improve your endurance, which is required when you are trekking on the mountains. Exercise number 2, my favorite, you have to do T and Y exercises. Now these exercises are specifically for your upper back so that when you are lifting that rucksack on your shoulder while climbing, you are not getting any kind of shoulder pain or neck pain. So what we are exactly going to do in this exercise is you lie down on your tummy and you need to raise both the hands in T shape, hold it for 5 seconds, repeat this exercise for 1 minute again and 3 sets. And same way you have to do it, you have to lift both the hands in Y shape, hold it for 5 seconds, bring it down and repeat this exercise for 1 minute into 3 sets. This will help you to strengthen your upper back, making sure you are enjoying lifting your rucksack while climbing the mountain. Exercise number 3, which is duck walking. Now you must have seen this exercise to be done by many football players. And this exercise again is very important for mountain climbing also. Why? Because it is going to strengthen your lower limb as well as it is going to improve mobility of your lower limb, so that even if it is uneven surface, even if it is stiff forward, you are going to strongly climb those mountains without any difficulties and with ease. Exercise number 4 is 1 minute plank. Now plank is a full body exercise. It's not only for core, it is for your upper limb strength as well as lower limb strength as well as for the core. It doesn't mean that it is only for abdominals, it is also for your lower back muscles. So that is why it is an overall package for the strengthening as well as for improving your metabolism, which is again very important while you are trekking. Now the next and most important exercise for reducing the acute mountain sickness, which is deep breathing exercise for at least 10 minutes daily. Now this is simple pranayam exercise you can do like Anulom Vilom, in which you have to close one nostril of yours. Always start with the left one, breathe in, hold that breath for certain amount of time, and after that breathe out from the right nostril. Again take a breathe in from the right nostril, hold for certain period of time and breathe out from the left nostril. Just continue doing this for 10 minutes continuously and you will see a lots of improvement in your breathing capacity, your lung capacity, which is very important when you are trekking in high altitude. I have been doing all this exercise for last 3 months and as you can see, I have enjoyed my trekking experience with my last one, which was Kuwari Pass. If you also have experienced something like that, let me know in the comment section, and if you are going for some trek, also let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to prepare yourself with all these exercises. Do share this exercise with all your friends who are going for trekking or who are planning to go for trekking, so that they are physically and mentally ready for this high altitude treks.